So this is PHP admin. I will come to the database that I use for this project. It's called HMusic. It is here, HMusic, and there it is. So I'm going to see where there is a song. You see here, songs. Okay, you can zoom in if you're not seeing clearly. So you'll see the parameters of a song. We have a song ID. We have the song MP3. This is the link to the song, and we have the song photo. We have the artist ID. Now we forget to put the one who uploaded the song. In fact, that's where your question is. In the database, we did not mind who uploaded the song. Now we are going to handle it right now. I'm going to add one more column, and this column I'm going to put the one who uploaded the song, so that we should be able to trace the one who uploaded this particular song. I think that's your question, right?
Yeah. Can I show you real quick what I mean?
Yeah.
Give me a second.
Like, you want to know when this user comes to his database, you want him to see only the song that he uploaded, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to solve. Okay.
Yeah. It's because I'm literally using your dashboard as a different way, so I'm trying to make a music distribution. So I had joined my other account.
Okay.
To show you what I mean.
Okay, let me see.
Give me a second. So I should show you what I mean. Let me try to share my screen if I can. How do I share my screen?
I think I should first stop sharing. Now you can share, I think.
Okay.
You'll see that present now.
Let me see, where is it?
There in the bottom, yeah.
Let me know if you can see my screen.
Wait. Yes, I can see it now.
Okay, so I'm using your dashboard, the one that you made.
Okay, sure.
I had changed some few things. Is because I'm making music distribution.
Okay, sure.
Right?
Yeah, sure.
So let me show you real quick what I mean. What do I have at the moment? Loading. Okay. So on the database, I have, where is it? Should be here somewhere. I think it's this one. Let me check if it's this one. Okay, I think it's this one. Give me a second, just trying to figure it out. Because I have so many subdomains at the moment.
You can see.
So, and then should be. Oh, okay, trial. My bad. So with this one. So you can see here I have artists, downloads. I got graph. I got song. You can see here I got song. I have user and views, like how you have it.
Yes.
On here, so I created like this only to the person to log in. After the login, it will take them
to their dashboard
to here, like how you have it. But I add a new thing called royalties. They can see how many views they get, things like that, and that's for the profit.
Okay.
For upload, I actually add like stores for
the kind of categories. Yeah, sure, I can see. Great.
Yeah. And I add the producer name and the writer name, right?
That's great.
And for my music, they will have this, and when they want to see, they can see. Yeah, and they can see they have their own smart link right here. So when they click, it will look like this.
Okay. I see.
So my question is, it was like, because I don't know how to make it for each person to sign in the same page and have different
different content. What they upload is what they should see, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
yes.
I understand. Okay, now let me show you the solution.
Sure.
Stop sharing and let's show you. Yeah, I got your question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take this out for you.
Okay.
Oh yes, and by the way, I'm giving you credit too for the dashboard and everything.
Really? Thanks. Uh, I'm going. Okay. Let's first finish the business. So my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, I was trying to tell you that this is a particular song. Exactly, these are songs, a table of songs. But here, I did not consider the one who uploaded the song. Okay. So
Yep.
since it come to you, now we need to know the one who uploaded the song, so that when he comes in, you should be able to show him only the song that he uploaded, right?
Yes.
So I'll come back to my music, then database, then I'll come to what? To the songs, then I'll go back to the structure and restructure this table. Because in the first time, we did not consider the one who uploaded the song, okay? So to do that, I'm going to add one more column, and this column will be tracing the one who uploaded that particular song, right?
Yep.
So to do that, I'll have to come to the table, structure, and then I go to change. I can come here to add one more column, right? I add one more column, and then maybe I can say upload by or something like that, or I can put by. So in this by, I'm going to be inserting the ID of the particular user who uploaded this song. So since the user ID is an integer, so I'll leave it as an integer, just save. Okay. Oh no, you cannot use by. By is a keyword, okay? It's a keyword, so I can say upload by, like this. So I'll save. So if I come back to songs, we see now we have one more column called what? Upload by, and does not have anything. So now this now to solve that problem, to solve this, it means that when you're uploading a particular song, when you're uploading a particular song, we now need to trace and know who uploaded this song exactly. So I'll come to this file, admin upload song. So it is admin upload song. It is here, admin. Where is it? Okay, let me see the file name. Admin song upload. Admin song upload. It is here, right?
Yep.
And this is how we do the logic of uploading a song. Okay. But remember, when we were doing this logic before, we did not consider the one who is uploading this song. So here I'm going to die and first take in consideration the one who is going to upload, the one who is uploading this song. Okay. So let me die here with pre-tag and dump everything that is coming in the post. Before I do what? Before I insert it, like this. I hope you understand this. So let me come and now try to upload a song. Let me put simple song, artist name. Okay, so artist here can select the existing artist. So we select a song photo. Let me just pick a random photo from my computer, and then I select a song. Let me pick just a simple MP3. I hope I have some MP3 downloads. Okay. Okay, so I pick just an MP3, and then I add a new song here, right? I click on add new song. So this is the song. This is just what is coming in the post, the song and the what, and the artist ID. Okay. Now one more thing. Now one more thing that we have to take note is now the one who is uploading this song. Before we did not care, but right now we care the one who uploaded this song, so that we should be able to do what? To trace when he logs in, and we show him his songs only, not for everyone. So the question is now, how shall we know the one who is logged in right now, or how shall we know the one who is uploading the song right now? To know that, remember, when we are logging in the user, where could we store the data? We could store the data in the what? In the session. You remember, right?
Yep.
So if I dump the session, I'll be able to know the user who is done what? Who is logged in. Let me reload again. You see, I have the user's information who is currently logged in, and I'm interested only in his ID, right?
Yep.
So I'm going to navigate to this ID, so which is under user. So if I put here user, I'll be able to see only the user data. Okay, So this one is an array, so under what? Under session ID. So if I put here session ID, I mean user ID, I'll be able to access this particular user. You see his ID.
Yeah.
So it means that here this variable upload by, I'll need to put this user ID, the one who is logged in right now. Okay.
All right.
So I paste there. So if I die with this upload by to test that if the ID I have it, you see I will have this ID. So now everything is okay. So one more thing, I have to put this ID in the SQL where I'm inserting the song. Okay. So I have the ID here on top, upload by, so I can delete this die and delete. Yeah, I hope you understood here. You have understood here. Did you understand here how I got this ID?
Yeah, understand.
Very good. So I'll come here to the SQL. This is the SQL I'm inserting. So I'll add one more thing, right, which is upload by. So I'll come here and put a comma, upload by, and then I'll add it here at the last. Since it's the last, I'll add it here at the last. So I'll just surround with this curly bracket. So it's an integer. We don't need even to surround with this single single marks, single quotes. We just, because it's a what? It's an integer. So by doing like this, it means that every song that you upload, it will have to assign it to a user who was logged in at that particular time. So let me refresh now. You see, song was uploaded successfully. But you can see he's seeing the song that is not belong to him and the song that he has just uploaded. Now let us go to our database again and we try to see, browse. Now you see, we're having upload by and his ID here. Now we now need to solve the problem. Now we need only to show him his songs that he uploaded. So to do that, it means that when you're previewing songs, where is admin songs, right? So I'll come to admin songs here. When you're previewing the songs here, now we're here. Now you will not just print everything. So there are two ways. You can either filter those songs when you're looping and you'll be checking only the song that you uploaded, or you can do it through the what? Through the SQL. Like here where you see the function of get songs. Where is it? Songs. Let me see. You see here in the function of get song. Okay, so we can either do this. Let me see my functions under files, under functions. So here we can either do it from here, or we do it from the loop when you are presenting what? The song. So let me show you the both ways. So the first way, let me show you by just showing him his songs through the loop. That is not the most efficient way. I'll show you the best way, but let me show you the first way. So here it is admin songs. So I'll come here to admin songs. Admin songs, it is here, right? So I'm going to, now here I'm going to only show him his songs when we are presenting it in the loop. So here in the loop before we do not check, we could just echo. So but we now right now we care. So there's two ways. So I'm going to say, do you understand the continue? Do you understand continue of loop? Break. Do you understand break and continue? You understand these two things, right? Break and continue.
Yes.
So now I'm going to check here before I print the song. I'm going to put here like if. Remember now the song has one more parameter which is upload by, right? That we've just added. So I'm going to check if this is upload by. I'm going to copy. I just want to copy this keyword. I hate doing mistakes. So I was going to check if this song I'm putting them in A, is it an array? Yes. Upload by is not equal to the user who is currently logged in. Now how do we know the user who is currently logged in? We know it by just using just like the way we did here. You see here in upload. This is how we can know the user who is currently logged in through from the session, right?
Yeah.
So I can just get this and come and copy this and put maybe, you see here, before the loop I first determine the user who is logged in. And how do I determine? By doing this session part. Okay, so I can put maybe current user, so I get his ID from this session. So I'm going to check if this current user is not the owner of the song. The loop should continue from here, should skip, should not go ahead, should just stop and go to the next loop. Do you understand this simple logic?
Yeah, I understand the logic. Yeah.
I first get the current user who is logged in, and then before I continue with the printing the row, I first check if the owner of this song, the one who uploaded this song, is not the one. If he is not the one, then we should just continue. You can either put it in curly brackets or can just leave it the way it is, since it is only one line. So if I refresh, you see, I now see only the song that he uploaded. You understand, right?
Yes.
So that is one way of checking, but this is not the most efficient way, because you're fetching all the songs. Assume that you have 1,000 songs, so I mean that the loop will loop 1,000 times, but it will skip and maybe only present only 2 songs that this particular user uploaded, which is not efficient. So the most efficient way is to do these things from what? From the database, from the SQL. Like only return the songs that he uploaded. The database should take care, not us to take care. Understand? That's the most efficient way. So let us do it. So that is one way. So the second way, you see here, this is the function that we use to get the song. Okay, so I'm going to create one more function. I'm going to say maybe by user. Okay, so this is one more function, get songs by user. So it is not created yet. I'm going to create it right now. So I'm going to come here. Now it means that this song will need also, I mean this function will need one more parameter, which is the user ID, because we need to know the one who uploaded this song. So by user. So I hope you're understanding. I'm a little bit faster. Did you understand?
Yeah,
I pass the connection and I pass the user whose songs that we need to get. So I'm going to create this function now. Okay, so I'll copy this name, I'll come to my functions. It is just going to be like the previous function of getting songs, but here the difference is I'll just duplicate it. So to duplicate a song, just press Ctrl Shift D. I mean to duplicate a function. So it is there, but this one will have one more parameter, maybe user ID. I can put upload by. Okay, so this is one more parameter, because this here I can use this function maybe as top administrator to get all the songs, but this one I'll use it maybe to preview to the all the members who created their accounts. So we need to show only them their only their songs. So here it is where I'm going to get the songs from. So I'll come and I see get all songs. Get all songs. So here I will come here. Okay, okay, let me just simplify it. The thing is, if you want to do that, you'll see how any logic that you use, but the thing is, if you want to do that, let me come and copy this SQL. The thing, you have to write it in this SQL. Where's the SQL of getting the song? Let me search it. Ctrl F, SQL, get song artist. Okay, get song uploaded by user ID. Okay, here is the SQL, right here. So we will add one more condition. Before we did not care before, but right now we care, the one who uploaded the song. So we need to add one more condition. Okay, so I can just come and copy this SQL. Don't worry, I'm going to send you this video so you may look at it again. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this SQL and rewrite it here. So get all songs. So I'm going to you see there's another function calling another function, so it's a little bit confusing, but no problem. I can add one more parameter here. I can add one more parameter here like this. Okay, upload by. So in this parameter, this function, it is function calling another function, this function of getting all songs. I'm going to add again one more parameter, because it is now considering in case the user, we want songs by particular user. So I'm going to add one more parameter, which is going upload by. Okay, but this upload by, since I'm using these functions in many ways, in front end when the user are not logged in, when they are logged in, so we may use it even when the user is not logged in. So it means that I should not make this one necessary. Okay, so I'm going to, if I don't want to make it necessary, what do? We just put equal sign and equate this one to nothing. So by default, this one will be equal to nothing. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to check in case there is something, then I'll have to twist this SQL. Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to check if there is something in this SQL. So if I say if strlen of this upload by is greater than maybe 0, so I'm checking the length of this upload by. In case there is nothing, the SQL should remain the same, because we are going to use this function even to look for the front end songs even when the users are not logged in. So but in case we send something, in this, so I'll have to change the SQL. Okay, so I'll have to add a condition, so it will be select all songs from here where. So here in the where, I'm going to add another condition, so I'll put and. I'm going to put and, so I don't make mistake. I'm going to just go and get this word upload by. Where is it? Upload by, this one, upload by. So I add here one more condition, and what? And songs. So I'm pointing at the table of songs dot upload by equals upload by variable. You see, let me explain this again. This is the function that gets for us the songs, right? So it is having the upload by. This upload by default, it is nothing. So in case we send upload by, we don't attach anything here, it will execute this else part. But in case the string length of this upload by is greater than 0, so it means that in case there is something in this upload by, then we'll execute this first SQL. So this SQL, it takes care of getting the song ID, and it adds one more condition using the and. This condition is checking in that it should be upload by, the ID should be equal to the one that of the user that we have just sent here. So that's how we've done it here. I hope you've understood. So this one will be the one more condition of getting the user who uploaded these songs. A little bit complicated, but I hope when you look at it clearly you'll understand what I'm trying to mean. So let me go back to where I'm calling this function. So you see, it is upload by. Now before we just pass only connection. Okay, so if we pass connection only, let me go back again and first check just by passing connection only. So let me go back. I'm just going back just here. So if we pass connection only, it means that it will bring for us all the songs, because the upload by is having nothing. Let me refresh here and see. There's some error. Okay, so if we pass the second parameter, then mean that it will bring for us the song of this particular user. So let's see where this error is coming from. Admin songs line 11 and define variable user ID. Okay, so here we have to pass here. You see, I have to now do this. This is one way how you can do it. You get all the songs and loop, then you'll be checking, which is not recommended. So let me comment it, that maybe you look at it. Okay, Now let me now go back to this normal loop. I'm just commenting so that you can look at it again. So I'll duplicate this loop. Okay, this is the normal loop. Okay, so this is the normal loop. I've commented the previous one. I hope everything is okay. See, he's singing all the songs, right? So now here I have to send the what? The ID of the user who is done what? Who is logged in. Okay, which is the current user. Did you understand? This is the error where it was coming from. So I get the current user who is logged in and I send his ID to this function. So if I refresh, you see only the song that he uploaded. So you see, so what is happening right now? First of all, I get the user who is logged in. I've already shown you from the session. Then I call this function get all songs by user. So I'm sending to it the connection and I'm sending to it the user ID who is logged in. So I'm coming to this function here. So I receive upload by, this is the second parameter, remember. Okay, this is the function that I've created, the second one, which will be showing the users. So I'm also calling this function of get all songs. The reason why I don't want to write this get all songs SQL everywhere, because sometimes I want to change something in the SQL. So if I write it everywhere, I'll find the challenges of repeating myself. That's why I put it just in the same place. So this is where, remember here I received the what? The upload by, and I received the connection. So I'm forwarding this upload by to this SQL. So here in the SQL, I mean to this get all songs. Okay, so here in get all songs, where is it? I've used it many times. This is where it is. Okay, that is where it is defined. So here it is getting the connection and the upload by, and the upload by we are muting it. In case you don't send the upload by, it is okay. In case you send the upload by, then we'll check its what? Its length. In case the length is greater than 0, it means that there is something in the upload by, and I'm adding that more condition, one more condition here, like the song that we should be returned should be only for that particular user who uploaded it. So by doing that, you see we are now seeing only the songs of the user who is logged in. Let us add one more song. So I'll come here, another song. I'll select maybe APAS. I select the artist ID. Then select this girl. I select the song. Come for downloads. Maybe check this song. Okay, then I upload. Boom. So you see, we only see the song that he uploaded. If you come to H Music, the main part, you see, we see all the songs. Why? Because we did not send the particular user. I hope you understood.
Yes, I understood.
So did you get this source code? Did you did you access the source code?
I get what you mean now.
I mean, no, did you access the source code? Did you access the source code, like from the video?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so great. Okay, so that's it, and that's how we did it. So what I'm going to do what? I'm going to send you this video. That when you can look at it.
Great. That was the only thing I've been struggling, just to get like each user their own music without checking someone else's music. But it's getting there. That's why I had to create like subdomains for each member, and it's been really bad.
It was so hectic, eh? So you see how it is a simple logic. So that's a simple logic that you can do to get the songs of a particular user. Anyway, so about me, let me first stop the video. That is maybe too long. I'll send you the video. So about me,
should I do the same thing with when someone, when the user create an artist? Should I do the same thing? Just
to show him the artist that. It depends. It depends on your project. It depends on your project. So I just teach you. So it will be up to you according to your company or your project, how you want. You create your own rules.
All right.
Yeah. So